In this video, you are going to learn the 4 massive things you need to implement in your business to boost up your business performance 5x times. Yes, 5x times. So I am Pranshu Agrawal, business coach, entrepreneur and influencer marketing specialist, providing some basic business strategies you need to implement in your business to grow your business 5x times. So let's get started. The thing is, understand that not everyone is gonna love your business like you do. Not everyone gonna love your business like you do. Let me ask you one question. Let's suppose your friend Jason bought a new bike like KTM RC 200, and he called you. Hello Pranshu, how are you? I bought a new bike, man. Just came here. I will give you a drive. Let's blah 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 blah. You reach out there. You ask Jason, can I drive your bike? He said, sure. Just take it. You drive his bike recklessly, driving at top speed, doing road running, etc., etc., etc. Because that's you don't own that bike. That's a Jason's bike. But if you own that bike, you will take care of your son or daughter. You just drive that bike smoothly. Take care of that bike by do not doing cornering or speeding. Okay. So only the persons who are responsible, who owns that thing, is most responsible for that thing. You own that business. That's your 100% responsibility to boost your business or to leverage other people's skills to enhance the performance of your business. That's not their deal. That's your deal. You started that business. That's your 100% responsibility. Either that business is going up or going down. It's your responsibility. So stay consistent towards your platform and provide more and more content, more and more product and services to the people, so you can leverage their skills and get benefit other people's to enhance the performance of your business. You must have to learn new things to implement in your business and take care. Which thing works, which doesn't. If you start learning and implementing the other things, you get to know which thing works and which doesn't. And you have to implement the things which thing works massively. And the second tip is that when your business starts generating good revenue, don't buy liabilities, because there's the number one mistake every person, every business owner do, that when their business starts getting revenue, they, instead of reinvesting that money to their business, they start by purchasing liabilities. Like first of all, what they think? They buy Lambo, they buy jets, they buy houses, they buy reckless cars which they don't need, or they buy the stuff which they don't ever need in their life. I heard one thing. The richest man in the world said that don't buy the things you don't need. Otherwise, in the future, you have to sell out the things you need. So always think twice before spending your money on anything. If you are spending your money by implementing some things, by purchasing courses for your side husband, it's good. But if you are purchasing liabilities that you don't need in your life, that's completely different. Okay. So what you have to do? When your business starts getting revenue, generating too much revenue, you have to reinvest your money in the business, like in sales and marketing department, and helping the employees to do better their roles. Because in sales and marketing, people actually don't approach the people, they approach the number of people they have to approach in a day. Let's suppose at once you are approaching 5 persons in a day, and on the second hand you are approaching 10 persons in a day. Where you get the most of the sales? Second side. So you have to encourage your sales and marketing department to approach more and more people and to convey and to start conversation to more and more people. That's how your business grows. After that, reinvest your money by running the ads, so more and more people get to know about your company. And when the more and more people get to know about your company, they grab the attention of other people, and when you get the attention, you will get the money. Too much money. Attention is equals to money. So always focus to get more and more attention from the market. Okay. Apart from this, provide more and more value. So you always work on the product or service which you are providing, because if nothing happens, when a person uses your product or service and nothing happens, this will degrade the quality of your company, and soon your company will start falling. So always manufacture the product or service which can help the other people to get benefit from it. Okay, so that's the most important thing. And the third thing, take care of your employees. Take care of your employees. You can assume that, you can also think over it. Most of the business owners don't care about about their employees or any other thing related to their employees, because they treat their employees as their customers. They are not your customers, they are your employees, and they will be treated like they are the blood of your company, because they are actually the blood of the company. They approach the customers, they convert the sales. You are just handling them, you are just managing them to generate more and more sales, and to leverage the other people's skills, and to manufacture more and product and services to make your company as a brand, etc, etc. Okay, so always take care of your employees. You can do one thing, that's for example, but that gives you massive result. If you want to know the secret, you know what you have to do. Come closer, come closer. You just have to make a schedule, a time interval for them, because that will help them to boost up their performance. You can do 2 hour, you can give them a schedule, 2 hour of work, 1 hour of motivation, 2 hour of work, 1 hour of brain boosting activities, 2 hour of work, and 1 hour of indoor games which enhance their thinking power. That's the secret. Just implement that and you will get to know massive results in your company and a massive growth in your company. So business is like to manage more and more people and to leverage their skills, so you can leverage out more and more money in your pocket. Okay, but you have to smoothen your management skills, leadership skills. But if you don't know how to manage the people, how you can take leverage their skills? If you don't know how to lead a person, how you can make him or her work? Okay, so always enhance your leadership skills, management skills, communication skills. That's how your business goes. And the fourth and most important thing, be a macro. You must own macro patience and micro speed, because you have to understand that thing. You are putting out content, you are starting a new business or whatever the thing you are doing, you are just start that thing. No person is know about your product or service, about you, about your company. All of the persons out there are their cold market. You don't have any warm market. So what do you have to do? You just have to put out more and more content, so more and more people know about you. When you get the attention of those people, they will get to know about your product or service, and you can pitch out your product or service to make massive money. But first you have to grab the attention. And how you can grab more and more attention? By just putting out more and more content, running ads, approaching more and more people, heading towards the market, understand the needs of the persons, of your customers, who is your target market, etc, etc, etc. Okay, you heard about the Amazon? Definitely you heard about it. Amazon started in 5 July 1994. It takes Amazon up to 15 to 20 years to earn that much money. Jeff Bezos worked at least 15 to 20 years on his vision to give her a massive output, but it takes him 15 to 20 years. That's why you have to be a macro patience. You own a macro patience, and you have to understand, when you are starting anything, it takes time. It takes time to build out. It takes time to get the other people's attention. It takes time to make other people get benefit from your product or service. So always be patient about your work and provide massive value about the things you are providing to the market. Always understand who's your target customers and provide more and more value, so they will give you referrals. And when you get more and more referrals, that's how your sales gonna boost up. And there's one more thing, let me tell you a secret. Why business gets flopped? There's only one reason. You want to know the secret? What you have to do? You just have to come closer. Business gets flopped when they are getting no sales. If they are getting low sales or no sales, the business gets flopped. That's the secret. So always reinvest in your sales and marketing department first. After that, spend on other departments. So always focus to grab the attention of other people. That's how you get the attention and you can make massive money. Okay. So if you like the content which I am providing you, because it's a massive value. If you are going to implement these things, you will get massive results. So just like, share my video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can get my entrepreneurship tips as well as business strategy tips to enhance the performance of your business. So subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my video first to implement their techniques, because if a person get those techniques before you, he or she will boost up their business. So tap the bell icon, you will get my video first, and you get to know the tricks. Just implement them, and you get massive results. Thank you.